My name is David and I teach physics and mathematics to high school students. My goal is to help you understand these subjects clearly and confidently. I have a strong background in sciences, applied by chemistry, computer science precisely, and I enjoy making complex concepts simple and relatable. Over the years, I have helped students improve grades, problem solving skills, and confidence in topics that once found challenging. In my lessons, I provide clear explanations, step by step guidance, and plenty of practice examples. Adapt to each student's pace and goals. Whether you're preparing for exams, or you're trying to catch up, or aiming for top performance. If you want to truly understand physics or mathematics and make learning enjoyable, I'd be happy to work with you. I look forward to seeing you in my class. Thank you and God bless.